The first key challenge is evolving from a basic wholesale connectivity model to an end-to-end M2M service delivery model. So today many operators are providing basic connectivity services to M2M customers. But where they want to be is really offering end-to-end M2M services that spans devices, applications, and managed services. And a very good example of that is one service provider in a country has actually put wireless sensors up on all the cell towers around that country. They're collecting environmental data, weather data, pollen emissions, carbon emissions, bringing that data into their network, doing analysis, and then offering that data to enterprise customers such as the weather service, such as healthcare institutions, as a managed service. And so they can do things like, let's say the pollen count is high on a particular day, they can send an alert to the healthcare institution to expect more patients with allergies. Or if there's incoming weather, they can send alerts to the weather stations to inform the public. This is an example of a sophisticated M2M service and the kind of thing I think we're going to see more and more of from mobile service providers. The second key challenge is scalability to deal with the volume of devices that are going to be connected onto the network. And there's several challenges there. One is managing all those different devices, provisioning those devices, tracking those devices. And another piece of that is the different transaction volumes and connections and usage that those devices will have. And that's going to, require a whole new level of scalability than we see today in many of the consumer applications. And the third area is the machine business model is very different than the human business model. In the case of the machine business model, the average revenue per device can actually be quite low. But at the same time, there can be very high profitability because of the volume of devices, the low churn that's often associated with these devices, and the lower customer acquisition costs. So as a result, even though there could be low average revenue per machine, you can actually have a very profitable M2M business. But it does require that you completely change your business model to address it.